Today we talking about epistaxis. Very important disease, epistaxis, also known nose bleeding. This occurs when the blood vessel injured in the nose is called epistaxis. Bleeding from inside nose is called epistaxis. Site spinopalatine artery and little area Kisselbeck plexus. Very important, little area Kisselbeck plexus. Next, causes. Local cause, finger nail trauma, road traffic accident, direct injury by ball and fist, fracture of nasal bone, infection, bacterial or viral rhinitis, acute sinusitis. Next, other causes, drugs, pregnancy, foreign body, hypertension, DNS, deviated nasal septum, other important disease, DNS, benign and malignant tumor. Next, sign and symptom, dark and bright red bleeding, weakness, headache, confuse and vertigo. Next, little area, very important, little area and Kisselbeck plexus. Little area, most common site of nose bleeding, situated anterior-inferior part of nasal septum, above vestibule. 4 arteries, anterior ethmoidal, superior labial, spinopalatine and greater palatine anastomosis to form vascular plexus is called Kisselbeck plexus. Important, Kisselbeck plexus. Type, anterior epistaxis and posterior epistaxis. Anterior epistaxis, blood flow from front of nose is called anterior epistaxis. Posterior epistaxis, when blood flow back into throat, this is less common. Next, diagnosis, history collection, physical examination, nasal endoscopy and angiography. Next, management of epistaxis. First, how to stop nasal bleeding. Lean forward and breathe through mouth. Pinch the lower soft part of nose tightly by using thumb and index finger for 5 to 20 minutes. Do not lay flat or put your hand between the legs. Ice compression, constrict the blood vessel. Next, how to prevent bleeding again. Don't blow nose and don't put anything into it. If you have to sneeze, open your mouth so that the air can expel out through your mouth, not through the nose. Important. Do not strain during bowel movement. Don't forward. Don't bend forward and lift anything heavy. Don't smoke and avoid use to medication that will thin the blood. Vaseline, antibiotic, ointment and spray may be used to moisten the airway. Next, difference between anterior epistaxis and posterior epistaxis. Indication, more common, less common. Blood flow front of nose back into the throat. Site, little area, wood roof plexus. Age, children and young adult more than 40 years. Cause, trauma, hypertension. Localization of bleeding site, easy and difficult. Next, severity, less severe, more severe. Treatment, local pressure and anterior packing. Important, anterior packing. Require hospitalization and posterior packing.